Okay. See friends, so far we have discussed about linear permutations. Now we are going to discuss about circular permutations. See, circular permutation in the sense, a permutation is said to be a circular permutation if the objects are arranged in the form of a circle or a closed curve. Closed curve, this is very important. So if the arrangement is like this, so when the arrangement is like this is called clockwise direction and this is called anti-clockwise direction. This is called anti-clockwise direction. This is called clockwise direction and this is called anti-clockwise direction. Okay now. So in circular permutations there are two types of directions. So fine. The number of circular permutations of n dissimilar things taken all at a time. When in linear permutations, n dissimilar things taken all at a time is n factorial. But whereas in circular permutations, it is n minus 1 factorial. Remember friends. Okay. Next, the number of circular permutations of n dissimilar things taken are at a time when clockwise or anti-clockwise order taken as different. When they are taking two different directions, then the value is npr by r. Okay friends. Next, the number of circular permutations of n things taken are at a time in one direction. When clock or anti-clockwise orders are different, our hanging type is equal to npr by 2r. Okay friends, just remember these four, the definition and three important formulas. Let us see the next important formula. So other important two formulas. So the number of circular permutations of n dissimilar things in clockwise direction is equal to number of circular permutations in anti-clockwise direction. So both the arrangements are same when we go either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise, and the value is nothing but n minus 2 by 2 factorial, n minus 1 factorial by 2. Okay friends, next one. The number of ways in which n dissimilar things can be arranged in a circular manner such that no two will not have same neighbors in any two arrangements is n minus 1 factorial by 2. Okay friends, remember these two formulas. Basing on these formulas, let us solve some questions. Okay friends, now let us see the questions basing on circular permutations. See, these are all NAT questions. The number of ways to arrange 8 persons around a circle by taking 4 at a time. 8 persons we have to arrange 4 at a time. That is nothing but what is the formula friends? NPR by R, right? So in the same way, 8P4 divided by 4. So this is N here, this is R here. So what is 8P4 friends? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4. 4 2's 8. So 5 2's 10, 6 7's are 42, 420 is the answer. Right? Next, second one. The number of circular permutations of 15 things taken 5 at a time. So 15 things, that is N, taken 5 at a time, R at a time. Okay. In one direction, this is very important. In one direction means in the formula, what is the formula friends? NPR divided by 2 into R. Yes or no? So N is 15, R is 5. So it's 15P5 divided by 2 into 5. That is nothing but 15 phi by 10. Yes or no? So this is the answer. 15 phi pi. 15 P5 is nothing but 15 into 14 into. So this is a lengthy. You can have the virtual calculator, right? Divided by 10. So you can calculate this value and finally you will get an answer. So or else in the options you can find this answer, right? Okay. Next one. The number of ways of repairing a chain with 5 different colored beads. So what is the formula for beads? What do you mean by beads friends? All will have chains, right, in their neck chain. This is nothing but a bead. So what is the formula? N minus 1 factorial by 2, right? Did you remember? N minus 1 factorial by 2. That is nothing but how many different colored beads are there? 5 different colored beads are there. So 5 minus 1 factorial by 2, that is nothing but 4 factorial by 2. What is 4 factorial friends? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 12. Answer is 12. Got it? So in this way, just remember the formulas, apply the formulas in the questions and you will get the answer. Okay. Okay friends, now such a beautiful question it is. Find the number of ways of selecting 5 Indians, 4 Americans and 3 Russians at a round table so that all Indians sit together, no 2 Russians sit together, persons of same nationality sit together. So there is a round table conference is going on. Now what is the first question? All Indians should sit together. So all Indians means 5 Indians should be same at one place, right? 5 Indians in the sense, so considering 5 Indians as one unit plus So remaining are 4 Americans and 3 Russians, right? This is 1 unit. So how many arrangements we have to do? 7 plus 8. So total 8 arrangements have to do. 8 in the sense, in circular arrangement, what is the formula of total of all taken at a time? So 8 minus 1 factorial, that is nothing but n minus 1 factorial, nothing but 7 factorial ways we can arrange. So that all can be arranged in 7 factorial ways, and this 5 Indians individually they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So the final answer is 7 factorial into 5 factorial. Got it? Now next one, what is the next question? No two Russians sit together, friends. No two Russians sit together in the sense, listen carefully. Yeah, first of all we have to arrange just 3 Russians, keep it apart, 5 Indians and 4 Americans, total 9 members, right or not? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 5 Americans and 4 Americans and 5 Indians are arranged in here. So how many places left in order to keep 3 Russians? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In 9 places 3 Russians have to be arranged, and in no two case, what I told, whatever might be the number, n minus 1 will come here, that is 8 factorial. That is nothing but 8 factorial. Fine friends, 6 7 8. So 9p3 into 8 factorial is the answer. So 9p3 into 8 factorial. Next one, persons of same nationality sit together. Very good question. See friends, persons of same nationality should sit together in the sense what? Here Indians, Americans, Russians, either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction, right? So there are two directions we can say. So Indians can sit in 5 factorial ways, right? Next, Americans can sit in 4 factorial ways, and Russians can sit in 3 factorial ways. This is clockwise and anti-clockwise, two directions, so into 2. This is the answer. Got it, friends? So this is the answer for this question. So in this way, we simply apply the logic and we can apply we can find the answer.